Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how I make oil using my extractor machine. As you can see, this is my machine here and I'll be showing you guys how I use it. The first thing I did was plug it in for it to heat. Inserting the card right in the machine here, and then I'll be turning the switch on. You can see that red switch over there. I'll be just turning it on. Afterwards, I'll be showing you this container here is a receiver basically of anything that I'm extracting. It will be in this container here, and this that I'm putting on, this is where my ingredients will be coming down into this container I've placed under it. Here is my nuts that I'll be extracting, so I just place this in the bin up top here and putting that in the front to receive the trash. What I did was turn on this switch right here, and then it will be ready for extracting. But what I'm going to do is that I'm going to place a strainer over the receiver here to hinder any residue from entering my oil, because I don't want any grain, any lumps, or any sort in my oil. As you can see, it's already starting to extract. Here my oil in the strainer dripping down, and the trash is in this clear container that I've placed in front of the receiver. So up top here we can see the nuts slowly going down. What we want to do sometimes is just give it a little nudge to let the rest of the peanut that are on the side just to go down better in the hole. This is what I'm doing now, just to cover the hole anytime nuts are removed. Just want to give that a little help. And this is done 4 times, as you see on the screen. As you can see, it's extracting. And look at this waste coming out, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Almost something that we can eat. But actually, I think we can be eaten. You know, like a little snack. After all, it is peanut. And we're almost finished with the extracting. Once you look at that, here we go, guys, and we're almost finished. So here we have our oil, guys, and this is the residue nut I was talking about to prevent it from going in my oil. I'm just gonna put this in the strainer over here in the waste, and then my extraction will be placed in this glass container. And what you want to do, guys, let it sit for 2 days and you'll see the oil settling on the top. Please remember to like and subscribe for more.